today I am going to tell you about a wonderful web and set you from which you can earn a wonderful income. If you are visiting for the first time, click on my channel and click on the green button and click on the bell icon button so that all my upcoming videos and reach you first and the link to this website in mind. The name of the website will be found in the description. The website name is the T99 token and see this T90 token solution and user referral and T99 token exchange. E e-commerce, e-wallet and real assist. E-commerce wallet launch and e-commerce wallet mobile, iOS, Android and airdrop claim, airdrop 1 and personal airdrop 150 TNN free. Register in our airdrop link, join in telegram group and follow Twitter and visit www.t99token.com. Complete the step and to get 150 TNN and get your referral link and referral rewards and get 26 TNN per one. And page ICO and seeds all and exchange seeds all and located e-commerce and e-commerce platform offer liquidity and service and seeds all. E-wallet and T99 wallet is an open source wallet that supports tokens and storage and fast exchange. T99 wallet is interest in that it cannot to smart contract and seeds all. What is T99? T99 token TNN is a united token and decentralized and currency. It has been developed and set on technology blockchain, the Binance Smart Chain and BEP20 smart contract and completes that everyone can access. TNN will be trading in a public exchange and with fast transaction and low fee and readout and TNN token videos. TNN T99 wallet and e-wallet. T99 wallet is an open source wallet that supports token storage and fast exchange. What makes the T99 wallet interesting is that it cannot to different websites and see its all. And T99 roadmap September 2021 page 1 T99 website launch published T99 white paper and 1000 telegram members and telegram airdrop and page 2 read it out seeds all and page 3 seeds all, page 4 look it and page 5 look it and back it by billion and pony weight and I love and read seeds all sports network and coin market cap, coin Geeko, BSE scan and Pocoin chart, pancake swap, dex tool, dxsale, baby swap, safepal, metamask, fiverr and godaddy and social media Facebook, Twitter, Telegram, Reddit and Discord, YouTube and follow us. Go to website and go up website, go up website home and e-commerce click on the button e-commerce and the I am here T99token.com brand new token and brand new videos www.t99token and guys, you know to say invest money and T99 token. I think you join this project and parts of community because of video. If you total about and T99token.com. T99
Welcome to
token
Utensa.
and they and idea.
Utensa
The
is a new
project
e-commerce
and
platform
buy.
that comes with a
And
fast payment gateway for entrepreneurs and users. A friendly platform, the sellers can customize their sales styles based on categories such as cars, real estate, IT equipment.
Click on the white paper and also see this white paper and white paper 21 pages and see it's all T99 page 1 T99 and with white paper and T99 empower the financial potential www.t99token and .com extract summary and read out and mission T99 and mission T99 it's T99 Real Assist Investment Benefit of Real Assist Investing on the Crypto TRX and High Dividend Yields and Total Return Potential in introducing the T99 ecosystem and see its all page and liquidity, the redactional and commercial properties and the developer concept and introducing the T99 ecosystem, target market and four leaf of luck and see its all economics and the e-wallet, mobile app, real assist and the exchange and the remote and 21 pages white paper sport network BSC scan coin market cap and pancake swap DXL and DX tool coin Geeko Fiverr GoDaddy and something and see it's all and 21 pages and read out and go to website and go to websites and also see this is BSC scan and also Cocoin.
Welcome to Utensa.
First of all,
Utensa is a new e-commerce platform.
Click on the BSC scan. You can see this BSC scan beautiful our review T99 token and overview BEP20 and price 0.00 BNB, total supply 1.10000 TNN and holder 6 address and transfer 9 and BSC scan and crypto saving with 60% apply earn while you slept and transfer holder in info contact analytic and comments and read out and go to website. Friends, go to website and click on the Pocoin chart. Click on the Pocoin chart and first of all the click on the Pocoin chart. You can see the Pocoin chart beautiful our review and T99 token. You can earn more profit and this project value goes to up and goes to moon and more earn money and more authority and also you their live chart and see this value is live chart T99 token and see it enter the token address name and token wallet TX and buyers sellers and total supply market cap TNN transaction TNN contract TNN holder and David wallet cheat waters and see it and go to website and open this and go to website. Okay friends, bye.